Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious stovetop flan. First, let's create the caramel. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Cook this mixture over medium heat without stirring until it reaches a beautiful amber color. Carefully swirl the pan to coat the bottom and about 1 inch up the sides of your flan mold. Set this aside to cool and harden. Now let's prepare the creamy custard base. In a large bowl, whisk together 3 whole eggs, 2 egg yolks, and half a cup of granulated sugar until smooth. In a separate saucepan, gently warm 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Slowly pour the warm milk mixture into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to prevent scrambling the eggs. This tempering step is crucial for a silky smooth flan. With your caramel set, it's time to cook the flan. Carefully pour the custard mixture into your caramel-lined mold, straining it through a fine mesh sieve for an extra smooth texture. Place the mold into a larger pot, ensuring the water level comes about 1 inch up the sides of the flan mold. Cover the pot tightly with a lid or aluminum foil and steam over low heat for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until just set. Once cooked, remove the flan from the heat and let it cool completely at room temperature. This prevents condensation from forming. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to firm up properly. To serve, run a thin knife around the edge of the mold, place a serving plate on top, and quickly invert. The luscious caramel sauce will cascade over your perfect flan. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.